Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, we are ready. Who's ready? You're ready? Say morning.
I tried to be ready. Say morning.
You guys, we are heading out to church today. I was so determined to go to church today and nothing was going to stop that. Woke up this morning and I cooked and I made breakfast. And now we are heading out on time to not be late for church. Princess is ready. Look at her little outfit for church. So cute, aren't you? You're cute. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if it's your first time to our channel, be sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We are heading out to church right now. I'll insert the clip and show you guys of me cooking and making breakfast this morning. I went on a roll because I was serious about going to church and nothing was gonna stop that. Now, let go. Have a good day, you.
You're pretty, Mama.
I wanted to show Faves your outfit. Oh, say morning.
Mommy.
Zip down the jacket, let Faves see your outfit. Ooh, outfit of the day. You look cute. So why you pushing out your stomach like that?
Yeah,
You're funny. Outfit of the day.
I have a baby.
With all those fandangos in the kitchen behind.
I have a baby, Mama.
You have a baby in your stomach?
Yes.
Can you show Fave the girls?
I'm sorry, honey. Somebody's shining more than you tonight.
That's okay, I'll take it.
No, I'm talking about me in the pictures there.
You're a mess. Look at my girl. Isn't she cute? Now look at Ludovic's wife.
Oh
Ludovic's wife. Anyway, you guys, we're heading out to church.
no. Mama.
Let's go. Dinner. Salad all done. Mutton finishing up. I just transferred from the pressure cooker. This is food for Sarah to blend. This is beef, zucchini, pumpkin and broccoli. And then I cook some rice over here for Tyler. So I'm well on my way. Guys, we reached church 10 minutes in advance. That's so good.
This is the first time
we reach this much
advance.
in advance. We always reach just on time. When was the last time we came? I haven't came church. I haven't come church since I have Sarah.
No.
Oh, so it's Sarah's first time going? No, it's Sarah's first time going this church. But Sarah been to church in Jamaica when she got christened. So I won't say it's her first time. So this shall be the first of many church going for my gal.
Mama, fast is
What?
Mama.
Fast what?
To get Tata.
No, we have 10 minutes. Tyler, we have 10 minutes before church begin. So we can sit in the car until it's church time. Babe was just saying that everybody see young people driving in the church. They probably say we're looking for free parking. So I said, why? He said because 90% of young people in France don't go to church. It's because they need Jesus. That's why they don't go to church. But it's true. Church in France.
Mama, look at the people going into church.
Yes, tell her they're going in church, but church don't ready to start as yet. Religion is not taught here in school any at all.
Nobody here.
I know they're inside. They don't teach it in school. So if you see young people going to church, it have to be a family trait of some kind because it's not taught here any at all. Unlike Jamaica, the first thing we do at school is have devotion before classes and all that stuff. In primary school, you pray before you have lunch and say your grace before you go out of class. Here, you could never. So our church, we are one of the only, you have probably 3 set of young people that go to this church. Us, another family, and 1 girl and another boy. But you don't have young people in our church. It's only old people. And our church is an English church, so it's majority of retired British. Church is about to begin in 5 minutes. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out to church right now, so we see you guys later. If you guys watching us going to church for the first time, let me show you what our church look like.
Faster, Mama, the bell ringing. It's time for the church. Faster, Mama.
Que starta soon.
President of the Supreme Court, and that brooch, a huge spider.
You guys, look at us in the car. Me and Sarah, just as church about to end at 12, Sarah started screaming for food. So your girl gotta do what she gotta do. I gotta get out and come in the car and feed her. And she eat off all her carrots that I carry for her. And now she's having her yogurt. The boys are still in church. So we gotta come out and feed. When your child is a clockwork and always on time like her mama, this is what happened. Oh Lord, and I'm making a mess right now. Sarah, you're really wiping your yogurt mouth on my clothes. Me and you and this yogurt mouth not gonna work out because you're wiping it on my white. How was that lunch? Lunch was yummy? Sir, don't wipe your mouth on my clothes. Choo, 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 choo. All Sarah want to do is jump. All you want to do is jump. All you want to do is jump. And you just finished eating. Let the face see you jumping. You just finished eating. Look, yogurt done, and this was full of carrot. And she killed it. So yeah, lunch was a success. Lunch was a success. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go back into church. Or maybe we just stay outside and scroll around for a bit until the boys get out. Oh, ooh, let me stretch. You guys, we've been back from church for a hot minute now, for a while, and we rest and we relax and we ate lunch. Round 1 of curry goat we had for lunch, and round 2 is going down for dinner. And just to give you guys an idea of what our plates look like for today. Look at Miss Nosisha. Look at Miss Nosisha. Look at Miss Nosisha. Hello, you smell the food? You smell the food? Yes, you smell the food. Where's your plate? Huh? Where's your plate? Yes, where's your plate? Where, mama? Mama, where's my plate? Huh? Watch out. You're gonna eat, Papa. Okay, so this is... Let me show you a close-up. That's babe plate. That's my plate. And that's Tyler's plate.
Don't do that.
And where's Sarah's plate? Sarah's plate is everybody's plate. Right, Sarah? Right, Sarah? And Tyler is here watching Peppa Pig. But Peppa Pig, is time to pause. Boop. Yeah, it's time for dinner. You go back to it after. So it's gonna be right over here. Move your hand.
Right where?
Yeah, here. So that means what? You need to eat.
Fast.
Right.
Fast.
Okay. All right. Everybody to the table. To the table.
Sarah.
To the yes, Sarah too. To the table.
No, not
To the table.
Sarah.
To the table. To the table. To the table. Night night to faves. Say night night. No. You're going to throw your water? Say night night.
Night.
Sarah sleeping. Go to the...
Not.
Shh. You know, say you will get this stupid behavior from him. Is a clown
From his mom.
from you.
No, it's just funny like you.
Go poke him in, man. It's you. You make him behave
You
so.
say prayer?
Yes.
Give me hug.
Sarah sleeping. Let's go look for Sarah.
Hey guys, it's the end of the day. We had a wonderful weekend. Yeah, I can say we had a nice weekend. We did some nice adventure yesterday. Today we went to church. It's been a long time we didn't go to church. If it's good, and we did some little thing afternoon. I cleaned the car. Wanted to clean the car. So yes, it's done. Everybody's fine. Sarah is off to bed, Tyler is off to bed. It's vacation time, so you're gonna have Tyler for the next 2 weeks at home, fully with the entire family. So it's only me going to work. Yeah, I can say that for the next 2-3 weeks, We're gonna have a lot of adventures. Carnival is just start this weekend in town. We have the Lemon Festival that just starting too, so we have a lot of things to catch for the next 2-3 weeks, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that. We don't want to miss that too. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't. Leave a comment, and we catch you guys soon. Have a good night. Oh, have a good day.
You guys, we went to the supermarket, so it's time to do the supermarket haul.
It's not a supermarket haul.
It's a what?
It's a eating go.
All he's talking about is eating this go.
That.
Come, let's go. Start this from this bag. Show the face what we got. Make sure they can see before you start talking. What is this?
Some babies for me.
No, it's mine.
Yes, it's for me.
From me.
No.
Me. Me. Come.
You will see some spicy pepper.
No, it's sweet pepper, not spicy pepper.
Yeah.
What else?
Spicy pepper.
Okay, Siri. Come on, pepper. Come.
That
What is this?
It's some bacon.
It's zucchini. Okay, what else?
That is
Tell us say things properly now.
that is some lemon juice.
Make sure you don't drink it.
Okay.
Lemon dishwash. It says lemon juice. Next. What is this?
Some apple juice
Some apple.
and
Come, babe, I'm
some
waiting for you.
chocolate
No, I
biscuits.
have a good amount of things to make.
That is a trinket.
What is this?
A trinket.
What is trinket?
Trinket is something we forgot that we use it and we do that to the body.
That's what I'm used to slap your head, to slap and say to you. Cucumber for green juice.
It's some good fruit.
Move!
Un peu
Another
c'est pour
cucumber.
manger. Oh, maman.
Come on! It's okay, you're home. What else?
Some more lemon juice.
Soap, more soap. These were on sale. Buy 2 get 1 free. Next,
More apple
more
juice.
apple.
More apple juice.
What is this?
Some colorful rabbit. That is some goat.
What is this, Ty?
Some goat.
Ty, what is this?
Goat.
I slapped the goat out of you. What is this?
Goat.
Ginger.
And
And
lemon
this is-
soap.
This is the third soap.
Not
It
lemon.
says lemon juice.
Lemon juice, yeah, when you're sick, that's how we give you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you guys pretend like you didn't hear that.
It's some ginger.
What is this?
Some ginger.
It's tuna.
What's tuna?
Exactly.
What's tuna?
When I'm eating it, I'll give you some to taste.
Some,
Oh, let's hear what this is. Come, let's see you. What is this?
some cheese.
Oh, so you know the name of this one? That is yours. What next? Look at Sarah. Come, Tyler, let's see you. What is this?
Some rice.
Quinoa.
And that is some tree. Some trees. Some tree.
There's some tree.
Yes.
Broccoli.
Ah,
You have to go through.
that is some green big ball.
Avocado, y'all.
Another
Tyler, tell the things from the top of the bag. What is this?
boulevard.
What is this?
Boulevard.
What?
A boulevard.
What is that?
It's something that we do that It's something that we throw somewhere.
He said, yeah, I'm full like your father. This is pumpkin.
No, it's a food. A chocolate biscuit for me.
Chocolate biscuit. You see, he knows the name of everything that is his. Next.
Some plantain.
No, what is that?
Some plantain.
No, it's banana.
No, it's
Let's
some
wait on
plantain.
Papa to come and do the rest of the haul.
Bye.
Look at that, look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
They are moving.
Yeah.
What is moving?
This, the shrimp. The shrimp is
They can't
moving.
even see you.
The shrimp are moving. What are moving?
Yeah, tell her.
Got trick. She
That's
got trick,
true.
right? Because we have good trick.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that? This is some compote, puree compote for Tyler.
For Sarah.
Oh, but Tyler is. Oh, Pruno. Pruno should be for Tyler.
No, that's for me.
We got happy biscuits.
It's biscuit, not biscuit.
Biscuit. All along me say biscuit. A biscuit, avocado, and some compote for Tyler. This one is for Tyler. Tyler school, but Tyler is in break, but he still get that. You like it.
Sarah is on vacation.
Another puree compote for Sarah.
Sarah.
Different flavor, some kiwi from France. I see the flag. Kiwi.
Tyler love kiwi.
Tyler love kiwi. You love kiwi? What is that, Tyler?
Oh, it's some more
I'm
trees.
not gonna ask you what you think about.
It's some more trees.
This is some more trees. This is some more trees.
Yes.
This is celery trees.
Yes, it's celery.
Yes, and you know where celery trees grows?
No.
It goes inside the supermarket.
No.
Yes.
We have good trees.
We have good trees.
And that one than me longer.
Something in France we give to babies is yogurt. Well, everybody take yogurt. Is yogurt everywhere. You go supermarket, you see a lot of yogurt. And Tyler like yogurt. Since babies living in France, he eat yogurt. Thing that she never ate in the past.
Have to live the French life when you're in France.
That is
And I have to stock up on some things that I never used to stock up on
What
because
is that?
Tyler is on
the
vacation.
racket tennis.
Is a racket tennis. Okay, so I can play like this.
Yes.
But why the racket play tennis is smelling like sausage? You need to change your racket tennis, Tyler.
That is another racket tennis.
This is another racket tennis. Mama love racket tennis for breakfast. She finished Serena.
Yes.
I smashed it fast for Serena.
You did smash. You run to her.
Some
I say that.
very big.
Look, so Tyler have to go to
Tyler have the goats. That's a lot of goats.
Yeah.
We have a lot of goat here. We have goat for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Them all and package them and put them in the freezer, right? No, later.
It smell like Tyler.
Tyler.
Tyler?
Honey,
Tyler, why
can
the-
you get the pan down and put the goat in it and leave
Why
Tyler?
the goat smell like you? Or maybe it's you that
Tyler,
smell like a
Papa
goat?
said the goat smell like you. Is that true?
No, not true.
You smell like a goat.
That's not true.
It smells like a goat, but not like me. Oh, it's some big obesity. Oh, this I have one for
I got about 10 pounds of goat, you guys.
Yeah, that's our
I'm gonna wash it and season it in a bit.
What we have here, Tyler, when you pack, you make everything fall. I see some chocolate, some candy. That's
No,
not what
that's
we got
not.
today. We have some apple juice. We love apple juice, and since yesterday, she love white wine.
I have one for next.
Some more apple juice, because we need apple juice for everybody. Somebody wake up in the night and drink the apple juice.
Anise,
don't know who it is, but I soon gonna find out.
Anise, Mama.
What is that? Some orange juice for Sarah.
No, it's for me. So,
Oh, you drink orange juice too?
yes,
You drink orange juice in the night?
yes, and that
Oh,
is some
this is Tyler.
strawberry. That is
Okay.
some strawberry to eat.
Okay, so you're gonna eat some strawberry cake.
Yeah.
This is some
Look,
sweet
it's some
potatoes.
strawberry cake.
Sweet potatoes. I look like I'm the only one to eat sweet potatoes here. No, you eat sweet potatoes?
What are you talking about?
And
Okay,
then
you eat sweet potatoes too?
Stop come rub your
it's
dirty
some
hand in and
racket
pick me, man.
tennis. We buy the most
But
of
we're gonna
the-
play a lot of tennis.
Yeah.
Okay, you like to play tennis?
Yes, more racket
Okay.
tennis.
So your mouth smell like a racket
That
tennis?
is one for you and that is one for me.
And what is for Mama? Mama not brush her teeth? Well, are you brushing your teeth?
No.
Okay, that's why you
Her, she
now know.
don't have no racket tennis.
No, she don't have no toothpaste. You have teeth? Ah,
No, cause me a bird.
you have bird and you
Me a parrot.
That is some water, right? It's some water.
Yeah, this is tuna water.
Yes.
And what is that?
Water.
It's a lot of milk for Sarah to
Not
become
some water.
taller than Stan Tyler. When
Exactly.
When-
'cause-
No.
when Sarah drink that, she become taller than you. Alright, what else we have? We got a lot of things today. We have another bag.
This supermarket
I
haul
need
is
it.
huge.
We have some more yogurt for me because I like my yogurt with some flavor other than nature. What is that? Is meat? Which animal
Why
is
you
that?
keep pulling out my ear?
It's not
Why you
animal,
pulling
but
out
it's
my
some
ear?
spaghetti.
Okay, it's not
What?
animals. Every meat comes from animal. We have a
Yes.
fish. Look like a fish or does not look like a fish?
It.
It doesn't look
Look
like a fish.
like a
No, it doesn't look like a fish.
Yes.
So what kind of fish is that?
Is that fish?
Okay, it
It's
covers.
dead fish, that's what
Yes.
I said?
Look. I
Did
see
Tella just say dead fish? Tell me that's what you said?
Yes. I see the foot here and I see the foot here.
Okay, so
Is
my,
that fish?
okay. And what is that? Is it dead chicken?
Yes, it's a dead chicken.
Okay, so we have a lot
Hey,
of dead
that is
chicken.
a chicken that do some egg.
Look, Tyler, we have some more chicken, dead chicken.
Yes, the chicken.
Make sure you're not moving.
Okay.
This one is moving. You saw it? It moved.
Yes.
Look, 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 look. Look here. It's moving.
Yes.
So this one is not dead.
Whoa.
What else here? We have some nice underwear for babe. So we're not going to show you the nice underwear.
Regarde la tour. Regarde.
Alright, to end the supermarket haul now.
Regarde, ça dépasse le jus de
That's all. That's going to be a one
Papa,
week of good food. And somebody going to cook it
a
well.
one way of
And
candy.
Tyler will be at home all week, so that's why we have some good stuff
Mama?
this week. You have anything to add?
No, I'm tired now.
You are tired now?
Supermarket haul going in the
Papa, who buy
a
that?
different vlog. So actually, wait.
Mama?
We're ending today's vlog right here so that you guys will be able to supermarket haul in a different day's vlog because we have so much footage from our outing today. Babe, why you squeezing my butt?
No, I want to see if you can end the vlog with the ass.
Ah!
No, that's a challenge. Squeeze out.
Anyway, you guys, if you're new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Say bye, Sarah.
Mama, who buy it? Mama, who buy it?
No, nobody buy it. It's you.